The key to Pneumat's unmatched bin cleaning power is right here in our patented whip head design. And the first step to setting up your whip head is to select a whip set. With the exception of the steel chain, all of our whip sets are designed to be spark-proof, making them suitable for situations where explosive suspended dust particles are present. Beyond this important safety consideration, there are no hard rules when it comes to whip selection. And through time and experimentation, you'll learn which type works best for your particular application. And Pneumat is always available to assist you and make suggestions based on our many decades of bin cleaning experience. For most cleaning and cutting jobs, the Knuckle Whip is a solid choice. Crafted from one of the strongest thermoplastics ever developed, this rugged whip slams through hung-up material without damaging bin walls. The Star Knuckle Whip adds a free-floating star-shaped knuckle that can accelerate removal in some situations. We also offer a sweep whip without knuckles. It's suitable for lighter sweeping and cleaning tasks. For stuck-on material that are very hard, the bronze chain whip allows for rapid removal without the risk of creating sparks. If the materials and dust levels in the bin are determined to have no risk of explosion, you can step up to our steel chain whip with the highest impact strength of all. Place the whip head near the hose assembly and proceed to remove the two socket head screws securing the whip head cover. Remove the cover and wipe the couplers clean on both the whip head and the upper receiver. To install a nylon whip set, loosen the socket head bolts until you're able to insert the end of the whip into the holes in the whip mount, adjusting them to the desired length, usually about 2 feet. Whips are inserted in sets of 2 directly across from each other, but if you encounter extra tough material, a second pair of whips can be added. Make sure all whips in a given whip mount are installed in the same direction before securely retightening the bolts.